Where's my part? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl, Crystal Jones, and
Ricky Jones Jr.
You guys, I'm so excited because from when we moved in here, July 31st last year,
2019,
I wanted carpet, and it wasn't.
The bedroom.
Yeah, for the bedrooms. In the main rooms, y'all seen our house, we got hard floors. But I wanted carpet, and I was like, Ricky, I really want this carpet. He was like, nah, not right now. We're not paying them coins for that carpet. And it worked out because, y'all know, we already did a video on adulting about taking hand-me-downs and stuff. We had a friend who bought a new home, but it came with carpet, but they didn't want the carpet. So they took all the carpet out. They ain't even walked on the carpet, used the carpet. And they took the carpet out because they put in hard floors, wood floors. And they said we could have a carpet. It's brand new free carpet. So we putting carpet in today. That's why you see my bed behind me in the living room. I'm going to take y'all on a tour of all the craziness that's happening in our home right now. Look, our bed is... It's in the living room, all this stuff in the kids' toy area. We had to get all the stuff out of the bedrooms that have carpet. You see my clothes from my store, they hung up. Everything is just everywhere. And that's because we're moving. Well, no, we're not moving. I don't know what I'm talking about. We're moving the stuff out of the room so we can put this carpet down. Now, we were thinking of making this like a little DIY project situation. Let me get some lighting for my beautiful radiant skin. Now, we were thinking about, let's like DIY this situation. But after looking at several DIY carpeting videos, we realized
that ain't for us.
Some things are not meant to be DIY'd by us, I will say. I don't feel that confident. And it just seemed like that's going to be a whole problem in the situation if you mess up some carpet you trying to put down. So, we're not going to do that. We will have a professional. But I say, even though it's not a DIY, we should still take y'all on this journey with us because we've been showing y'all all the upgrades, transformations, different things we've been doing in our home. So, can't wait to show you the new carpet when it's done. Let me show you this old carpet, what it looked like. If y'all can't remember, from other videos. It looks awful. This the carpet. It's so hard and like worn and like blah. So this the carpet. It looked like this in all the rooms. So this it. It's just carpet, but we're gonna have some fresh. We're gonna have that fresh new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We coming up in the world. This is our chart to 2K for all our subscribers. We almost at 400, you guys. So we ready to swipe that line. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And continue to do life with us, with the Joneses. We're going to have some binge-worthy stuff for you to watch coming up during this little Rona situation. So be on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe so that when you in between Netflix movies and whatnot, whatever, what have you, you can pop on our channel, see what we doing, what we got going on. I'm so greasy.
I'm about to say, you sweating, girl.
But I'm not sweating. My skin is just really oily.
Who's doing all that heavy lifting?
Oily like that.
You ain't lift like that in a long time.
I haven't. I don't be lifting stuff really, so it's nothing but the baby.
Got these rocks, you know what I'm saying? I be at the gym. You know what I'm saying? I be at the gym, baby. I got kids.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta work out. And a wife.
Right.
Pro dad. Shouts out to my family at RTM. We love y'all.
Yep, we do. So, alright. So, let me show y'all us moving all this stuff around. And then later show you this carpet when it's done. Get her done. Okay, you guys. It's about to be the real test. Because you know how to be stuff under people's bed. Is there anything under our bed? Has Ricky Jones III been hiding things under our bed? We about to find out. What is my part? Where's my part?
You doing what you were just doing?
I was trying to, I didn't have no kind of grip or nothing. So I was like, am I sliding this? Am I pushing? Am I lifting? Where am I? I can't lift across like this. How?
Just walk. I would do that.
Okay, I'll do this. The only thing under our bed is a map. Because we going places, y'all. And we taking you with us. Mr. Ricky Jones Jr., we taking them with us.
That's right.
We taking you with us, y'all. We live it, we breathe it, we sleep it, we dream it. We going places. One flight at a time. Well, let's take a tour of the paint job I did. This where our dresser was, so couldn't get behind that. Wasn't moving it to try to. You can see I also did not go behind the bed. I painted all around it. Oh, that's funny. That's some type of stuff I do. Look at our new carpet, you guys. Oh, I'm so happy. It's so clean. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful clean carpet. We used to have a patch of like really random green carpet right there. It was like one square. I don't know what that was about. It was really weird. But look. New fresh carpet. We did all the rooms. I'm showing y'all the master because it's the biggest, but oh my gosh. I should have took this opportunity to paint, but I did not. So, you know how I like this.